Good evening. I'm your physician, Dr. Diksha Goyal here, and my post today is about that cough is bothering everyone in Delhi NCR. But I needed to share a very simple and easy home tip with you. Turnips are a very effective remedy for cough. They contain components that can help expectorate the phlegm and reduce the cough. What you need to do is slice a turnip into pieces as thick as a quarter. Pour honey over it, leave it at room temperature and wait for an hour. Juices will get mixed with honey and will come out of turnip. So take 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice mix every 3 hours. This is going to help you.